Okay, so today we're gonna be cleaning the litter box. This is one of them, as I have 3. Let me see. So first things first, we're gonna get, oh look, Olive is gonna use it. We will wait for her to do her thing. Hi, Olive. This is Oliver, the cutest little boy. And this is, excuse the mess, it's Clay Day today, but this is Whitey. They're all so big now. But okay, so since they're all gone, we're gonna get this. This is what we use to scoop. There's so many options, but this is the one I went with. And then you get a bag where you're gonna put everything. It's a little harder than I thought. This is really bad quality because I'm using my phone. I thought I'd give this a try. So we have our bag open, and then what we do next is we start scooping the litter. And as you can see, the clump is the part that shows, and you just throw that in the bag. And then, of course, you keep doing this until there's no more clumps and everything is flat. I'm not gonna do this for the whole video, but yeah, this is how you clean a litter box. You could see that whatever hasn't been used, it kind of just falls off. And everything that has been touched already by them is what stays super clumpy. I love this. I love when things get clumpy. Another thing I like about this is that I don't really get much dust in the air. Like, it just stays down there, and it's something I really love because a lot of them, what happens is when you start scooping and you lift it up and you do this, there's so much dust in the air, like you're breathing it in. I don't like that, but this one doesn't do that, which is something I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I'll just do it with you guys because I'm new at this. I don't really know how to stop and fix it all together. Maybe I'll figure it out. I'm not sure. Let's see. The background you hear, that's my cats kind of going wild. Going up and down the stairs. They got the ceiling right now. Oh, yeah, and every time I clean the litter box, there's always one or all 3. I have 3. They like to just come in and do their business every time. Never fails. I just started this channel, so I'm trying to figure out what people would like to see. This is probably not something they would want to see because I previously was posting ASMR. But I'm trying out new things, so if you guys would like to see any other type of videos, if you could just let me know what you would like to see, and I'll do that for you guys. Yeah, I think this is pretty much done. Just a little bit of stuff is coming out. so bad at this camera stuff. You know, I need like a stand. I need something just to put like the camera. This isn't even like an actual camera either. This is for my phone. I'm doing all of this with my phone. So we're learning as we go. Here's YB playing. I think Oliver is in there as well. Yep, there he goes. Okay, so once I'm done, since I am done, I kind of just like to flatten it out like this. And then I go ahead and I grab this. Pretty second. Light me right there. I go ahead and I grab this. I use, let's see. I use this to basically keep the odors from like being really, really bad, because it could get really stinky. This is already open, so I just kind of, oh, we have a friend. My friend wants to use it. There we go. Yeah, this is always gonna happen. Probably don't want to show that, but yeah, be prepared to do it a couple times, even though they have another litter box that's over here. I'm gonna have to clean this one right after, but they want to go to this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my cats, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Right, YB? Yes. Bye, Oliver. White. Right, Oliver. Who's a good boy?